Hey guys, and welcome to BOSH TV.
Today we are here with the lovely Anna Jones.
And I'm going to be cooking my dark chocolate fudgy cake for these guys. Let's get going. So the first thing is going to be the icing, so it can cool while the cake's cooking. We're going to put 75 grams of coconut oil, 50 grams of dark brown sugar, a tablespoon and a half of cocoa, 60 mils of cold water into a pan and just melt that down really gently. Add the chocolate, give it a couple of minutes, give it a stir, and then that's your icing done. Put your icing to one side to cool, and we're going to get on with the dry ingredients. We're going to use 225 grams of spelt flour, a good pinch of salt, a teaspoon and a half of bicarbonate of soda, and 75 grams of cocoa. Now onto the wet ingredients. We've got 250 grams of brown sugar, a teaspoon and a half of cider vinegar, we've got 75 grams of coconut oil, and then 375 mils of water from a recently boiled kettle, and we're just going to mix those together. So next, pretty simple, we're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix it together. Pour the chocolate cake mixture into a 20 centimetre lined springform cake tin. And this chocolate cake is going to be everything you've ever wanted. So we're here today to cook some delicious food, but also to talk about CoppaFeel, which is a breast cancer awareness charity that's really close to my heart. To sign up for a quick, handy reminder to check your boobs, just text boobs to 70300.
I had absolutely no idea that men could get breast cancer as well.
Crazy.
It's definitely all about checking the pecs, right?
It's not hard, is it? Just a little squeeze from time to time.
Just
to find out what's going on. But in all seriousness, that's why we're here with Anna. Not only are we massive fans of everything that she does, but we love CoppaFeel, and we just want to encourage everybody to check themselves and be protected.
So our cake's cooled, it's filled the air with the most amazing chocolatey scent. Our icing has cooled and it's this beautiful glossy ganache. You just want to pour it into the middle and then use a spoon or a spatula to just kind of persuade the icing around the edge. You want a few lovely little bits running down the side. Finished icing it. If you wanted to, you could leave the icing to set for a little bit, but I like it when it's soft and gooey, so we're going to dive right in and have a little taste. Here we go, guys, my dark chocolate fudgy cake.
Let's go in, mate. Look how gorgeous that chocolate looks on top.
I know, it's like it's a painting or something. It's like real, like an oil paint. It's lovely.
Gooey. Look at it.
Yeah, it does look amazing.
Unbelievable.
Oh, it's so rich.
It's also just so soft. You're a master. That is epic. Well done.